Unpack the carton and lay each tree section on the floor in alphabetical order, according to the hang tags attached to them. Remove the bubble wrap and plastic caps from the poles. Open the metal stand until the screw holes are lined up, and screw the 3 eye bolts into the holes, just enough so they do not fall out. Insert the bottom section of your tree with the pointed tapered pole into the tree stand, and tighten the bolt evenly so that it stands straight. You can now fluff the branch tips on the bottom section of your tree by starting with the bottom row and working with each branch row individually. Work your way from the inner tips outward on each branch by lifting the top tips and pulling out the side tips. Some of the branches on the tree will have side wings on them that should be bent to 45-degree angle. When you are finished with the bottom section, you can plug the light string cord into the power outlet to turn on the lights. You can now insert the pole for the middle section of your tree into the pole for the bottom section. Plug the light string from the middle section into the cord connector on the bottom section. There is only one connection between any 2 tree sections. The same branch fluffing process that you used for the bottom section of your tree can be used to shape the middle section. Now, insert the top tree into the hole into the middle section and plug in the light string from the tree top into the cord connector on the middle section. The final step is to fluff the tree top by using the same method as used on the rest of the tree. You can now spend a couple of minutes reviewing the entire tree and fluffing some tips here and there to fill any holes and gaps that you may have missed. This completes the assembly and shaping of your tree, and you will now have a beautifully shaped lifelike Christmas tree from Pulio to enjoy throughout the holiday season.